Okay, this is weird. This is really, really weird. The wind is hitting me all about, and then into my chest, and then it stops about right here, and then it starts hitting me about right in the visor, right here. Wow, that's interesting. You definitely need a sport touring screen or a touring screen aftermarket for this if you're going to do any highway whatsoever. The wind noise is just atrocious. Yeah, it's unbearable at highway speeds. You know, I'm doing 120 here. Okay, now there's a speed limit, so I gotta slow down. So, yeah, at a slower speed, more like 100, so 60 miles an hour, it's more tolerable. But you go over 60 or over 100, and yeah, you need a touring screen, guys. That is for sure. And this bike, that would be the first thing I would opt for, is a touring screen on this. No ifs, ands, or buts about it.